Do you find yourself forgetting new words easily, even after studying them for hours? Trust me, you're definitely not alone in this.
Yeah, totally. So stay with us. We'll share some really simple tips, a bit of grammar help, and some pronunciation tricks to help you grow your vocabulary, like really fast.
So, hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Talk English Podcast. I'm John, and today I've got something super cool for you.
And I'm Sarah. Super excited to be here with you all. Today's topic is really useful. How to increase your vocabulary. You know, that thing we all struggle with.
And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe comment your favorite word from today's episode. We love hearing from you guys. All right, so let's start with something really simple. Why is vocabulary important in the first place? Well, without words, we can't really speak, write, or even think clearly in another language. The more words you know, right, the easier it becomes to express yourself.
Exactly. Vocabulary is it's like building blocks, you know? If you want to build a strong house, or in this case, speak good English, you need the right blocks. That's what it all comes down to.
So, let's get practical now. I've got 5 really solid tips to help you grow your vocabulary, and we'll give some examples for each one.
Oh, I love this part. So the first tip is learn words in context. Don't just, memorize random words. Learn them in actual sentences. For example, I need to postpone the meeting. See, that's much better than just knowing that postpone means delay in some abstract way.
Yeah, and also understanding the grammar helps a lot. Like, postpone is a verb, so you can say, she postponed the trip, or we are postponing our plans. The context makes it stick better in your mind.
Postpone. Try it with me. Postpone. The pronunciation matters too, right?
Tip number 2 is one that works like magic for me. Use your new word 3 times during your day, in writing, speaking, or even just thinking about it.
Let's try it right now. Use the word delicious in 3 sentences today. For example, this pizza is absolutely delicious. I had a delicious breakfast this morning. That chocolate cake looks so delicious. Just 3 times, and it really starts to stick, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and please, write your sentence in the comments below. We'd love to see what you come up with.
For tip number 3, old school flashcards are great, but here's a twist. Add pictures or even audio to them. That helps your brain remember so much better. It's about making connections.
You can use apps like Anki, Quizlet, or just make your own cards. Don't just write apple. Add a photo and say the word out loud, apple.
Apple, A-P-L. Now try saying, I ate a red apple this morning. See how that feels more complete? That's what we're going for.
Tip 4 is something I personally love. Reading helps a ton. Start with graded readers or even children's books. They use simple, clear English and lots of common words that you need to know.
Also, podcasts like Talk English Podcast or, watch English YouTube videos with subtitles. Your brain starts to connect sounds and meanings naturally. It's really amazing how that works.
And remember, when you find a new word, pause the video, write it down, and look it up. Then try saying it out loud a few times to help it stick.
And for our final tip, number 5, learning words by theme helps a lot. For example, food words like boil, fry, bake, chop, or travel words like passport, suitcase, customs, boarding pass. It's just so much easier to remember when they're connected, you know?
It really is. You can even create word maps or mind maps to visualize the vocabulary. Seeing those connections makes a huge difference.
Let's take a second for pronunciation and grammar. Here's a new word. Recommend. It's a verb, and it's regular. For example, I recommend this podcast. I really do, by the way.
Recommend. Try saying, can you recommend a good book?
And for the grammar part, you can say, I recommend studying every day. You use verb plus ing after recommend. That's just a little grammar tip that comes with this word.
So let's quickly recap the 5 tips to increase your vocabulary. Learn in context, use the word 3 times a day, use smart flashcards, read and listen daily, and group words by topic.
And always remember to pay attention to pronunciation and grammar. They're super important. Try practicing by writing one new sentence using today's vocabulary. Maybe share it with us.
If this podcast helped you at all, don't forget to, like this video, subscribe for more lessons, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new episode of Talk English Podcast.
And we really want to hear from you. What's your favorite new word today? Or what's a word you always forget? Tell us in the comments. Let's learn together. We love connecting with all of you.
Thanks again for joining us on this journey to better English. Until next time, keep practicing and
Stay confident. See you next time on Talk English Podcast.